If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2020 Jeep Renegade Latitude in Alpine White. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, all-speed traction control, rear window wiper and washer, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 21,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, split folding rear seats, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P6901.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.